right, welcome back to Drawio Academy. In this video, we're going to help you choose the right tool for your project in Drawio. Whether you're creating structured diagrams or whiteboards, knowing which tool to use is the first step in getting the job done right. All right, so before we dive into the tool, it's important to know which type of diagram you need. The decision depends on what you want to accomplish. Structured diagrams are great for detailed processes and clear visual communication, while boards are perfect for brainstorming and flexible project planning. Let's start with our diagram editor. Diagrams in Drawio help you create structured visual representations like flowcharts, network diagrams, and organizational charts. They are ideal for visually mapping out your processes and systems clearly and concisely. Boards offer a more free-form approach for brainstorming, mind mapping, and project planning. They allow you to organize ideas dynamically, which is excellent for the creative process. It's important to note that diagrams and boards in Drawio are essentially the same tool. The difference lies in their formatting and in their interface. Anything that you can do in a board, you can also do on a diagram. A board just streamlines the interface so that you can get right to work. You can accomplish the same task in both the diagramming and whiteboard versions of Drawio. The board editor has a simplified theme, giving you a clean whiteboard feel, allowing you to focus on creativity without distractions. When you need those additional tools, they're easily accessible by clicking here. For example, if you're planning a software development workflow, a diagram is perfect for illustrating each step and the flow of information. However, if you're brainstorming project ideas with your team, a board provides the flexibility you need to capture and organize everyone's input. Choosing the right tool in Drawio, whether it's a diagram or board editor, is key to effectively visualizing your projects. Remember, you have the flexibility to switch between formats based on your needs. Experiment with both tools and see which works best for your specific use case.